Hey everyone, if you're gearing up to tackle the Joint Entrance Examination or JEE, you know you've got a challenging journey ahead. But don't worry, I'm here to share some killer strategies that can help streamline your preparation and boost your chances of success. First off, let's talk about understanding the basics. The JEE is not just about hard work, it's about smart work. Start by building a strong foundation in physics, chemistry, and mathematics. Make sure you grasp the concepts thoroughly before jumping into more complex problems. Next, practice is your best friend, but not just any practice. I'm talking about quality practice. Invest time in solving previous year's papers and take as many mock tests as possible. This will not only familiarize you with the exam pattern, but also help you manage your time effectively during the actual exam. Now let's talk revision strategy. It's tempting to keep learning new topics, but the key to cracking the JEE is revision. Make concise notes while studying and revise them regularly. This will help reinforce your understanding and recall during the exam. Another crucial point is to focus on your weaker areas. We all love to study what we're good at, but for the JEE, you need to conquer your weak spots. Identify these areas early and spend extra time strengthening them. Lastly, stay motivated and take care of your health. Preparing for the JEE can be stressful, but it's important to stay positive and keep your body and mind healthy. Regular breaks, a balanced diet, and adequate sleep are as important as your study hours. Remember, cracking the JEE is possible with the right approach and a bit of perseverance. I believe in you and I know you can do it. Keep pushing, keep revising, and let's ace this test together. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and strategies. See you in the next video. One more thing to keep in mind is to have a well-structured study schedule. A good schedule helps you stay on track and ensures you cover all the necessary topics. Use tools like planners, apps, or even simple to-do lists to keep yourself organized. And remember, it's okay to take breaks. Short breaks can actually improve your focus and productivity. Engage in activities you enjoy during these breaks to refresh your mind. Don't hesitate to seek guidance from mentors or teachers. They can provide valuable insights and feedback. Whether it's through online tutoring or in-person sessions, getting help can make a big difference. Celebrate your small victories along the way. Each step forward is progress. Share your tips and strategies with friends. Helping others can reinforce your own understanding. Create study guides or mind maps to visualize and organize information better. Use flashcards for quick revisions and explain concepts to others to deepen your understanding. Stay motivated by surrounding yourself with positive and supportive peers. Set achievable goals and reward yourself when you reach them. Rewards can be simple, like a treat or a fun activity, but they can keep you motivated. Reflect on your progress regularly and adjust your strategies as needed. Remember, preparation is key, and with the right mindset, you can achieve your goals. Stay focused, stay positive, and keep pushing forward. Together, we can conquer the JEE and achieve our dreams. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tips and strategies. See you in the next video.